Now, you're probably wondering, why in the world would you go to a swamp for your 30th birthday? And I can just picture you sitting there, imagining a trail in the swamp of sadness trying to pull out his horse.
You're my friend. I love you.
Well, it ain't like that.
G'day guys, Jester here from Jester's Cruiser Life, also known as Adam. That's what my parents named me. Today we are heading out to Dun Swamp for Courtney's 30th birthday. It's a beautiful place just outside of Kandos. I will be stopping in at Kandos briefly to stock up on supplies. I got a fly on me. Blah. To stock up on supplies, I always do say, if you're going to visit some place in Australia, you should always support the local community that you're visiting, and that's exactly what I'll be doing today. They've got a good IGA up there that's really well stocked up, and a Bottle-O next door. I'll go and do the shopping, then I'm going to head down to the local pub there, just on the corner. You can't miss it as you drive into town. I'm just outside of Capertee at the moment. Thought I'd show you this beautiful view. Put me stop right down so you can see it. 2 hours into a 3.5 hour trip out of Sydney, just heading up the Great Western Highway and off at Castlereagh. I got on the Great Western Highway at the Lighthorse interchange and headed down past Penrith, up through the Blue Mountains, past Katoomba, the Three Sisters. Still cracking along, so this actually marks the point of the highest area of the Blue Mountains, so it's all downhill from here. A few stops along the way that we can do if we feel so up to it, but the weather is not looking the best, so we'll see you. Okay, I've just come past Govert's Leap and Perry's Look Down, which means I'm right up in the mountains. It's currently 6 degrees up here. 6 degrees. What makes that interesting is it is the end of November. We're only a week away from summer. A week away from summer, and they're still getting blankets of snow down at Perisher. I think that if Australia has 2 Novembers this year, 2 things will happen. The first thing, everyone doing No Shave November will have some epic beards next month. And secondly, all our seasons might start lining up to where they're supposed to be again. Bit of food for thought. All the way up to Lithgow, where I hook a left off the Great Western Highway onto Castlereagh. That's the only turn off you do until you reach the turn off to get into Kandos. It's 2 roads and then you're there. 3.5 hours. Dun Swamp is only shortly about 40 minutes out of Kandos on a single way road. So once we're all stocked up on supplies, we'll head out there. Have fun. Welcome to Kandos. It's 3.5 hours out of Sydney, 350 kilometres. We've got a bit of a windy day today. I'm here by myself at the moment. I've got the group joining me shortly. Today we're heading down to Dun Swamp, which is another 40 minutes out of Kandos. I've been in Kandos for about 5 minutes. Getting ready to go down to the IGA, support the local grocer. I need to grab some beer, and then I might head over to the pub. From here I go right through Kandos after I've done the shopping, hit the back roads that take me down to Dun Swamp. When I get down to Dun Swamp, I'd like to show you the area.
You got bigger legs than me. Oh dear. God, Lord, no.
Oh dear.
Oh, I hate nature.
My eyes are burning.
I can hear my heart.
I feel like I want to fucking die, eh? The hell? Whose mad idea was that, Jester?
Dagnammit, BJ.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why
This
I
is
never
living,
see
Barry.
Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. Oh, look who's reaching out. Old friends wanna feature now. They don't work, so they need it free. Ooh, you reaching out from the west side of that old town, but there's no shows till I go down to the open mic. Show love to the real ones they know now. Some of y'all don't know now. In a couple months, you gon' find out. Been blowing up from the underground, and they stepping on and land mine now. And they know it's my time now. Coming up, I'm on a climb now. Everybody claim they been ballin', but it's looking like they took a time out. Okay, I'm working on a Wednesday, then up again the next day. So-and-so is popping, man, I skip him like he leg day. Kick it like I'm Pele, I never care what they say. Put myself on Spotify, so every day my payday. That's right, I'm coming back like OJ, like a running back in his old days. Still rocking those OJs. My paychecks get a little bigger, but that don't change me or make me richer. Money come and the money go, but my God's here when he's staying with you. Blowing up off the internet. All these haters need to introspect, cause they been hating while the rest love him. And I started going down their intellect, cause I've been a threat since day one. No money or bank funds, since y'all been saying you can do it better, but none of y'all ever made one. That realness, don't feel this, but I've been sick, that illness. I've been fresh like Will Smith since 94, man, I built this. Stressed out, X'd out, missed calls from my ex now, but I'm staying focused in the lab, baby. I don't need your calls or your text now. God say the boy blessed now. Who am I to say Rondo? And the way that I Celtics, they been calling me Rondo. 23 in my prime though, finna ball like Lonzo. Go and tell everybody talking stage better be in that convo.
Bye.